Nature has an ability to assist us in finding our intuitive voice. When we get out of our lives for a moment and sit in nature, the stillness, the silence of nature awakens us to our intuitive voice. And so I take you to this beautiful spot with me today. Free of all noise. There's a gentle breeze, some birds around us, and silence and stillness within. And in this space of silence, in this space of stillness, we allow our divine voice to rise into our hearts, light up our minds, and help us to feel and experience and know our divinity. So today we honor nature for supporting this expansion of our intuitive voice. We allow ourselves to sit in this space together and feel and know divine truth and divine love. And we move forward from this stillness into our day. And so it is. Amen.